For my scene in The Year Without a Santa Claus, I chose to analyze Jingle and Jangle's trip down to Southtown, USA. The physics that I chose to analyze behind it was how fast they would have to be traveling to get there in 2 hours, which is approximately the time that it took them in the film. For the sake of the analyzation, I replaced Southtown, USA with Chattanooga, Tennessee. That way I could calculate actual distances from the North Pole to Chattanooga. After some research, I discovered that the distance from the North Pole to Chattanooga would result in 3,853 miles. The problem was, I needed my answer to be in meters in order to create the correct conversion, with the speed being meters per second. The conversion from miles to meters is that 1 mile equals 1,609 meters approximately. So to calculate how many meters total I had, I multiplied 1,609 by 3,853 miles. My result was that Jingle and Jangle would have to fly 6,200,802 meters in 2 hours. However, I also had to convert the hours to seconds to get the meters per second. This conversion was much easier. All I had to do was multiply 60 seconds by 60 minutes twice to get my final time of 7,200 seconds for total travel. Next, I divided the 6,200,802 meters by 7,200 seconds to get how many meters per second Jingle and Jangle would have to travel. My result was 861 meters per second. 861 meters per second is almost 3 times the speed of sound. It is extremely unlikely that a baby reindeer carrying 2 elves was able to travel at that speed.
Created using Powtoon.